We study strengthening food security through rural community capacity building in Asmat Regency, Papua. The study is based on the food security issue in Indonesia, which has been a national priority since 2020. However, Indonesia food security score decreased from 2018 to 2021. Moreover, the country is still facing food security inequality between each province, with each exacerbated by the increase in regencies vulnerable to food insecurity by almost 1% in 2020 to 2021. With most insecurity provinces are located in Papua. One way to overcome the national food security problem is through local food diversification, which aims to reduce rice consumption and increase the consumption of local food sources of other carbohydrates. Previous studies by several authors have shown that rural community empowerment in many places in the globe has become one of the prominent ways to enhance food security. This is supported by the government law number 18 of 2012, state that strategic policies for food security are carried out the basis of principles of justice, welfare, and community empowerment. The community empowerment is through capacity building that aims to increase the community's ability to increase food production capacity and process local food derivative products. Sagu is one of local food in Indonesia that cover approximately 95% and focusing on Papua region and cover almost 6 million hectares worldwide. However, the national consumption of sagu is still mediocre, that makes it difficult to support food diversification. In contrast to the consumption of rice and wheat flour, even though Indonesia has to import those commodities. Asmat Regency is located in Papua, is the second largest sagu forest area in Papua after Merauke. On the other hand, Asmat is still dealing with food insecurity as indicated by several indicators far below the national score. That is caused by a poor local food diversification due to low consumption and development of sagu derivative products. Hence, it is necessary to increase capacity building interventions to develop sagu derivative products that increase the level of sagu consumption from family to the nation. Study analyzes how collaboration can empower rural communities to increase food security. They compile the published and unpublished data from external and combine with P2DK internal data and result the role of each stakeholder involved in capacity building collaboration and the benefits of the collaboration. Capacity building workshop in Asmat shows collaboration between stakeholders creates opportunity to deliver excellent public service in empowering rural communities to increase food security through local food diversification. We have identified three major roles that contribute to increase community capacity, which are facilitator and co-facilitator, expert, and sponsor. Facilitator enables groups and organizations to work more effectively together, understand their common objectives, and plan how to achieve these objectives, as well as build sustainable agreements. This can come from ministries or agencies, local government, NGOs, academics, and other institutions that have objectives and initiatives to empower the community. Experts may act as speakers or instructors. Speakers play a role in disseminating information, issues, policies, and knowledge related to food security to the public, while instructors are responsible for improving community skills in increasing food production and processing food derivative products to be more economical. That can come from the government, academics, industry, and the private sector. Sponsor is a company that give fund for the organization in return for promoting the brand. Being a sponsor gives benefit for the company, such as building popularity or reputation of a brand, increasing sales, and becoming strategic partnership and networks. In 2022, the Director of Special Region Development, or P2DK, collaborates with other various ministries and agencies and industries. Held the capacity building was targeted on women in Asmat, enabling them be able to process sagu into derivative products that have added value, varied, durable, and can be packaged better to increase sagu consumption. The director carried out the role as facilitator in this activity by arranging schedules, coordinating with other parties, and gather capacity building participants. While the experts come from the ITB, National Development Planning Agency, or Bapanas, National Food Agency, or Bapanas, and BRIN as the instructor of this activity. Bank Rakyat Indonesia, or BRI, act as sponsor of the workshop by providing gifts and account opening facilities to participants that create benefits for both of them, for the community and the bank. Those collaborations create enormous benefits for the community and the stakeholders in empowerment community, such as bringing together knowledge and expertise from different organizations across the public sector, lead the program to more effective, coordinated care, which reduce duplications and provides an opportunity to work more preventively, meaning money is potentially saved over the long term. For central government, local collaboration can add essential, reinforcing messaging layer to national activity to help drive cut-through and engagement. A collaboration between stakeholders across institutions is needed to create networking in developing communities, supporting local commodity empowerment, technology discovery, and building supply chains from upstream to downstream. Furthermore, the collaboration in local food diversification governance has been proposed by the Bapanas, which involves ministries, agencies, and state-owned enterprises and consists of production, off-takers, promotion, socialization, and education stages. Rural community empowerment could be one way to enhance food security in the region through collaborating with various stakeholders consisting of facilitator and co-facilitator, expert, and sponsor, involving central and local government, academics, NGO, community, industry, and private sector. This collaboration created synergy between various parties in supporting government policies. Building capacity in the community provides a way so that the community at the family level can meet their food needs through local food diversifications. Because national food security is created when food security at the family level is guaranteed.